Hello, and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can download Poppy Playtime Chapter 2. Well, as you all know, Poppy Playtime, P-O-P-P-Y, Poppy Playtime is free. And it's also in my library. It is a weird game, I must say, but anyways, this is Poppy Playtime, right? And now, in order to play Chapter 2, you will have to buy the DLC. Now, since this is a DLC, meaning a downloadable content, you need to buy this in order to continue from Chapter 1. Now, the thing about this is, if you, there's no other way to get the DLC for your Steam game, the only other thing you can do is search online for Poppy Playtime Chapter 2 on Google, but honestly, the best way to get Poppy Playtime Chapter 2 and continue from where you left off in the first game is by buying it straight up from Steam. So I hope this answered your question, and I hope this was somewhat helpful. If it was, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.